ALFRED chicken for NES. This is an odd side scroller. And you'll see why in a second. You're a chicken in a land of cheese. And you're picking balloons and collecting diamonds. I mean, how is that not odd? Now, with the up button, when you're jumping on these springs, you can go higher. And yeah, I almost forgot, but your only attack is that spiraling down drill thing by hitting fucking a down button while you're flying in the air. There we go. Damn it. Oh shit, we're off to a terrible start on this game. But yeah, the goal at each stage is to destroy all the balloons. Yeah, that's the main goal of the stage, is to destroy every balloon. And you can flap your wings to kind of guide your jumps. So, I like the idea that you can somewhat control your jumps. Okay, you know, bastard, I've already died 10 times on this. After all, this stage is barely begun. They activate switches to create blocks that normally aren't. That damn commentary is terrible as usual. Disregard my terrible commentary, and I guess only listen to the good commentary. Almost fucked up there. Yeah, like I said, that is reasonably good animation, but it's a weird game, but it's not a bad game. The music is fucked up, but not bad. And I gotta keep walking off of that weird covered platform. Doesn't have the most exciting gameplay, does it? There we go. Make sure I got all of them. Yeah. I just want to make sure I got all the balloons up to that point, and like I said, the whole part of it is to get all the balloons. Yeah, there's just one more up here, I think. Oh yeah, water again. I forgot what the water again does, but you gotta get it just because you never know. I always try to get all specialty items like that. Yeah, once you get all the balloons, you just fly off to the next stage. And there's this little bonus game where you collect these princess, but I think this is just for extra points. And then you talk to a flower, and go to the teleportation machine. I mean, yeah, this game is kind of fucked up with some of the shit. It makes no sense, but, you know, it's an interesting side scroller. And, yep. That's it. Now we're in Toy Block Land. Yep, yes, go through the stages and do the bullshit. mean, it's a good game. There ain't nothing wrong with it. It's a good challenge. Wake up the bomb or make it blow up. And after some time, the little chicken toenail barrier saying that you can get. Okay. Yeah, every so often there's some guy who can help. Heck. But that's almost like a death trap, though. Because I can see your little conveyor belt saying it gets away from you when you do that. Oh, and that, yeah. My commentary is terrible as usual, but as you can see, it's not a bad game. It's worth checking out. The only reason why I'm still playing it is just so I can make this review a little bit longer than it would have. Because otherwise, this would have been another ridiculously short review. I'm sure y'all get tired of my 5-minute review. Yeah, my break tradition, I'm probably about to end this one. Yeah, we're going to end the review here. I just started the game over anyway. Well, I was wanting to make this a little bit longer, but apparently I'm not doing very good. As you can see, you get no continues, so once you die, you have to go from the beginning anyway. If you like my videos, please subscribe. My commentary in this video has been kind of lackluster, but I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I'll have better commentary for it. Y'all have a good night.